In this episode, I got brand new Dollar Tree DIYs and hacks. Welcome to CJ DIY. I am C. Those hurricane vases are very popular in the past couple of years, used as a centerpiece or as a design accent, and can be very pricey at the high-end stores. Are you wondering how to style one in your space? So let's explore the possibilities. I went to Dollar Tree and I grabbed me some cylinder vases. After I cleaned them well with the alcohol, I'm gonna be adding those pearl adhesive ribbons that I purchased from Amazon. They're such a good quality and I highly recommend them. So I cut off a stripe and I'm gonna glue it first on the bottom of my vase. This is such a quick and easy DIY. I don't need to add any glue or paint, but at the end you're gonna see the final result. I'm adding the first stripe, as I mentioned, on the bottom. I make sure the stripe is going all the way around the vase and it's in straight line. I'm cutting off the edges at the end of the stripe on the back of the vase. I'm adding another stripe on top of the vase. Now that I got my two stripes on top and on the bottom, I'm gonna add another one on the center. And look at this good quality of pearls. Faux pearls, I mean. But I'm a lover of pearls, so when I tell you this is a good quality, it really is. And it's not that pricey. So now that I added my three stripes, I'm gonna add those two tiny pearl stripes. I'm adding one between the top and the middle one, so we can create different pattern. And I'm gonna do another thin between the middle and the bottom line as well. And not even 5 minutes later, you have a different look for this hurricane vase that it only cost us few dollars. And you have a perfect decorative piece for your corner of your house, or wedding coming up, or engagement, graduation, or resale. You can do whatever you like with it. As addition, I'm showing you these silver candle holders. I don't know if you catch them at Dollar Tree. You can also add your vase on top of it and create a perfect candle pillar. Add a candle inside of it. And now I'm creating another hurricane vase with those stripes. I cut off 4 white stripes and 4 thinner stripes, and this time I'm gonna add those stripes vertically. First, I'm gonna glue those thicker stripes and I'm gonna spread them equally around my cylinder vase. As I am adding the stripe, I wanna make sure the line is all straight and not crooked. Even that I measured my stripes, those stripes are a little bit stretchy, so I had a little bit of extension at the end, so I cut it off with my scissors on the bottom of my vase. Now I'm doing another stripe parallel from the one that I just did. I want to make sure that they're on the equal side on each side of the vase. It is time to add the third white stripe, and this one is between the two that I just added, and I want to make sure it's in the middle part of that cylinder vase. And now I'm adding the fourth thick stripe across from the third one that I added. Make sure that they're on the level, same level. And here is my daughter. She's showing you her new Hello Kitty watch. She's a lover of Hello Kitty collection. So anything that she see Hello Kitty, she's obsessed with it. So this is her new Hello Kitty watch. What do you think? After I add the fourth stripe, now in between all those stripes, I'm gonna be adding those tiny stripes. Super quick and easy, not even 2 minutes, and you have a brand new look for your hurricane vase. Before I make that stripe glued and sturdy, I wanna make sure it's all straight lined till the end of the bottom of the vase. And I'm gonna repeat the same thing with my other 3 stripes between the empty spaces between the thick one and the glass, if that makes sense. And not everybody like pearls, but you can always be creative and add a different embellishment for your hurricane vase. You can even paint them, give them the marble effect, but this one, it's such a nice and clean look for every occasion, everyday look. Valentine's is coming up, gift, present, whatever you like. To one of my vases, I added floating pearls with water gels that stays overnight, and then you fill out with water and you have a floating pearls. And for the second one, I just added some foam roses. And speaking of roses, Rose Forever sent me this beautiful bouquet, perfect for Valentine's Day. And if you're interested, there is $30 discount code CJ30 with free shipping worldwide discount code called Influencer. All the information will be linked in my description box. And such a perfect idea for gift, or if you like to purchase it for yourself. It's amazing brand from New York, and each rose is handcrafted by professional flower artisans and treated with natural oils to preserve its freshness and beauty for a very long time.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Another quick and easy hack, I'm using this mirrored frame. In the middle, I'm gluing these new wall decals, also from Dollar Tree. And as you can see, frames like this can go up to $37, and ours are costing us only $2 and some change. I'm using these new frames from Dollar Tree, and all I'm gonna be using is just the frames. I'm removing the picture holder with the backing and the glass, and I'm gonna be using 2 of those frames. So if you see those frames, just grab them at Dollar Tree because they're selling out fast. I did some project with those frames in one of my previous videos, and now I'm gonna be using 2 of them, and I'm gonna give it a 2 coat coat with apple barrel white paint. After I let them dry, I'm gonna be adding another of those wall decals that I got from Dollar Tree, and this time I'm gonna be using square ones, and I'm removing the backing with that tassel with the beads. All I need is the square wall decal so I can add it on my frames. It was so easy to remove the staples together with the tassels on the back, and then those beaded tassels, we can use them for some other projects. So now that I remove my wall decals, I'm gonna be adding them on top of my frames. I'm gonna be using all adhesive glue, and simple as that, we have a perfect art piece for our wall decor. For a couple of dollars. We didn't pay a lot for those as well. Now that I glue them together, I noticed that the wall decals and the paint with my frames are a little bit lighter, so I went over with the same apple barrel white paint, going over and make it all cohesive. And similar art pieces like this can go up to $58. And now, just to give a little bit of texture to my art pieces, I'm gonna be adding this marble spray paint, and I'm just spraying it a little bit so we can get that marble effect to my art pieces. And this is how they came. Let me know, what do you think about all those creations that I created today? Did I inspire you? Give me your thoughts and comments. And I hope you enjoyed this content. And if you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy, blessings from me to you. Bye-bye.